go.
A hero comes to Heron to help a king in his problem. Cause there's a monster got provoked and killed the followers of King. They don't know what to do to comprehend them, and then a hero from his field comes along to help them to kill the monster grandeur. Oh, 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 oh. He is the monster by his powerful strength. Beowulf, come on. Oh, 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 oh. Roger, the king of days, give him a reward. Beowulf, come on. Oh, 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 oh. He received a mountain of gold and a sword given by Anfert. He went back to his kingdom, and at last he became a king. Their kingdom has been peacefully, but a dragon comes along. He started to ruin and burn the kingdom of Kiddish, and Beowulf fight him with all his might. That's why Beowulf is a real hero. Beowulf, 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 Beowulf is a real hero.